The girl who was always late. Hi friends! Welcome back to the English Lab. Today's story is called The Girl Who Was Always Late. Have you ever been late to school or work? Maybe you forgot to set your alarm, or you just couldn't get ready in time. In today's story, we meet a smart girl named Sarah who has a big problem. She is always late. But something surprising happens when she decides to change. As you listen, pay attention to the simple English sentences. Try to read along and repeat the words out loud to practice your English. Ready? Let's begin the story. Sarah is a smart girl. But she has one big problem. She is always late. She wakes up late. She eats breakfast late. She even goes to school late. One day, her teacher says, "Sarah, you must come on time." Sarah feels bad. She wants to change. That night, she sets her alarm. She plans to wake up early. But in the morning, she hits snooze again. She falls back asleep. When she finally wakes up, it's already late. She rushes to get ready. She misses the bus. She has to walk in the rain. When she gets to school, her shoes are wet. Her hair is messy. She enters the classroom quietly. Everyone is smiling and chatting. "What happened?" she asks her friend Maya. Maya says, "You missed it. A famous author visited our class." Sarah's eyes grow wide. "Really? An author?" "Yes," Maya says. "She gave signed books and took photos with everyone." Sarah sits down, disappointed. She looks at the empty space on her desk where a book could have been. That evening, she tells her parents what happened. Her mom says, "Maybe this will help you change." That night, Sarah sets her alarm again, but this time, she puts it across the room. The next morning, she gets up right away. She's ready early and catches the bus. She doesn't want to miss out again. This story teaches us an important lesson. When you're late, you might miss something amazing. So let's try to be on time, at school, at work, or anywhere we go. Did you enjoy the story? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new English story. Thanks for watching, and see you next time here on the English Lab. Bye for now.